Welcome to Youngblood's RV and Outdoor, and here's a walkthrough of one of our great RVs. Here at Youngblood's RV and Outdoor, we have been a family-owned dealership for 45 years, with 3 locations, new inventory arriving daily, and brands you trust. You can buy from Youngblood's RV and Outdoor knowing that you made the right choice. We stock our campers the way we would want to camp, with features and upgrades to provide your family with the best travel experiences and unforgettable memories. So if you're looking for your next RV, come to Youngblood's RV and Outdoor, where we make the outdoors fun.